Hi, I'm Aaron Dad with Archer Services, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Maiden grass. It's a dwarf or mid-dwarf miscanthus grass, fountain grass. It's kind of got the fountain, the very flowy look. This is a very low maintenance, easy grass to use, and it's a mid-height. So there's much smaller ones that stay around anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, 18 inches. And this one here, the grass itself tops at just under 3 feet. And then the plumes go up, which I don't really consider them the height of that grass, right at about 4 feet height on this one here. And they put out these really cool plumes throughout. This is August right now at this time that I'm shooting this video. And it's going to stay this way all the way through fall and into winter. These little guys will stay on here. In the winter, it could freeze back, but that's what's so great about grasses. All you have to do in the spring is just cut them back to the ground and they're ready to go for you next summer. They'll start blooming out almost immediately if you kind of cut them back kind of February, March time frame, right around that last freeze. You can go ahead and cut them back and they'll start growing almost immediately. They love full sun. Here it gets kind of a filtered shade, a little bit of a light shade, but I get evening sun kind of blaring down on these guys right here, and they do great. Easy, low maintenance, deer resistant, drought tolerant, no insects or diseases to worry about. Their grasses are a great way to add a little bit of texture and fun to your landscape. So do something exciting in your landscape today. Thank you.